Alright folks, so I have a Python script that ChatGPT created for me. I'm going to run this 3 times to get 3 random locations within San Francisco. I'm just going to copy this URL and I'm going to paste it directly into Google Maps, and that's going to be our first location. This is just on top. So we paste it into Google Maps. All right, there's the location. I'm not going to zoom out and see where it is. I'm simply going to save it into a place I already created called randomness. Now that's going to store that in Google Maps. I'll go ahead and repeat this for the second and the third places. Again, same thing, just open it in Google Maps, go down, save it to randomness. And I'll repeat this for the third location, but you get the general idea. Copy it, paste it into Google Maps, and then I'll save it. Then I'll go to my phone and I'll pull maps up. Okay, so now I'm on my phone. I will select Google Maps. I will click on U, and it'll pull up my list. There's my random SF. There's my first location. I'm simply going to select that. And then I'm going to find the share button. Click on share. I'm going to share my place, and I'm going to share it with our Tesla app. And that's it. So now it's sent it to our car, and we will use the navigation on the Tesla to go to that random location. Now, if you don't have a car that you can send directions to, it's no problem. Just click directions on Google Maps and use your phone to navigate to where you're going. If you'd like the script that I'm using to generate a random location, just shoot me a comment and I'll be happy to send it to you.